How to cancel send friend request on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Snapchat to the latest version. Then open up Snapchat on a device. Now tap on the add friends icon at the top right corner or simply go to the message section. Now at the top right section, tap on add friends. Again tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on friends I've recently added. Now tap on the person name. Now tap on the person account. Tap on three dots. Now tap on manage friendship. Now click on remove friend. Again tap on remove. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.